All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gorny Guitar. We have the Weeknd, and like I said previously, if you follow me here, he released a new album, and we're gonna flip some of these songs here on Gorny Guitar. The album title is "Hurry Up Tomorrow," and this is also the title of this specific song. So this is the title song of this album, "Hurry Up Tomorrow," and we're gonna look into this one. Very calm and cool song from The Weeknd. So we're gonna handle this song in the easiest way with the capo on the 3rd fret. That's the setup. That's how we start it. And let's go over now into the chords. We're gonna look into D first. So that goes open D, the 2nd G, the 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have B minor next. That's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 2nd fret. And you push down all strings except for the last E string here in the bass. 5 strings below there, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We have the A sus4 next. So that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And then you have the normal A. So that means you just put it in there on the 2nd B. Instead of 3rd B, you go into the 2nd B, and that's the only thing that differs the A sus4 from A. All right, so that gives us open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then finally we have the G left. Okay, so it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so let's go into the strumming now. And the order we learned the chord, that's the same order we're gonna play them through the entire song. So we're gonna play this. That is 1 string around, okay? So starting with 1 down, then clap, then 2 downs, and a clap. That's it. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so we're ready, and we're gonna play almost 2 full string rounds of D. So you're gonna play 1, and on the 2nd round, you skip the last clap there. So you're gonna play down, clap, down, down on the 2nd round. And then you're gonna play this 4th fret A string. So you're gonna reach out to that note. So instead of the clap, you're gonna bring us that note to life, the 4th fret A. So the D part looks like this. And then you shift to B minor and play 2 full string rounds. Then the A sus1, and then A1, and then the final chord G. You're gonna play 1 with the standard grip here, and then the last round of G, you're gonna take away the 3rd fret B string and have that open instead. So you just lift off the ring finger. You're probably using that one for that string. You just lift it off to get the open B and play 1 string around with that. And that is 1 chord progression round. So just to summarize everything, we had almost 2 rounds of D, except for the last clap. That clap is played instead of with this 4th fret A string note. That's a C sharp note. You're gonna add that one instead of the clap, and then that takes us to the next chord, B minor, 2 full string rounds, then A sus1, A1, and G2. You lift off the 2nd round, the B string, to get that open. So it sounds like this. that is the title of that song. Pretty easy to handle, guys. If you have a K-pop, put that on there and just go with these chords, and that will be great. So thank you for watching, guys. If this was helpful, let me know. Leave me a comment, subscribe, and leave me a like on this tutorial, and see you next time. Play tuned.